Hello, my name is Joe Hartnett. I'm from the Newman Library, and I'm here to tell you about the Newman Library as part of your orientation. We have created a discussion board here for questions related to the library that you may have, and I'm going to be able to answer them for you, hopefully. And I put together this little video. I'm doing it on the fly right now to give you an idea of what's available to you and just give you a sense of that we're here and show you what's available to you. So to get access to the Newman Library, you can do this in two different ways. One is while you're here in Blackboard. If you look at the top of the screen, there is a link, it's actually a tab that says Newman Library. And wherever you are on Blackboard, you should be able to see that. If you click on that tab, it takes you to the page that we're looking at right now. It's a representation of the library webpage. And on this page, you can get access to pretty much everything that you'll need when you're doing research, or in terms of wanting to use library services. The other way that you can get access to the library is via the web. And if you look on this page that we have open here, down here where it says William and Anita Newman Library, if you click on that, that will provide you a link directly to the School of Professional Studies Library Services webpage. And it looks exactly like the webpage that we looked at just over here, except the difference is that we're actually on the web rather than in Blackboard. And one thing that you'll notice on the web page is that there is a yellow and white bar here. It looks like the side view of a sandwich, kind of. And this bar actually provides access to all the same stuff that exists in these links here. It's just another way to get access to stuff. If you look at the second link here on the page, it says Databases A to Z. When you click on that, it gives you an A to Z list of the databases that we subscribe to here. So there are different databases that are good for different subjects. You can select the database off the list, and when you do, it will ask you to log in with your username and passwords. Your username and password is going to be sent to you to your SPS email address sometime in the first week of classes. It's probably a little bit early right now, as it's during orientation right now, but that's where you should be able to find it. And they'll also send you a library ID number, which you'll need for something else. I'll show you in a minute. So you don't go and log on to the library. You actually go to the library webpage, you select a resource that you want to get access to, and then it asks you for your username and password. On this yellow and white bar here, you can see it says, the default here, it says OneSearch. It's the same OneSearch that exists here on these, in this first row. And here it says OneSearch. What this does actually is when you put your search terms into this box, it searches across all of the databases, most all of the databases at the same time. So you get a lot of results. So you can put in your search terms, sociology, enter, and you'll get a large set of results. And what you can do then is click on View Online, and you should be able to view the article right there on your screen. But it's going to ask you to log in with your username and password. You may be tempted, you're going to notice when you go into OneSearch that there's a link up here that says sign in. That is not to sign into the library, that's actually to sign into this thing called OneSearch. And when you sign into OneSearch, it allows you some extra features that allow you to save citations and that kind of thing. But you don't need to sign into OneSearch in order to view results. It should ask you for your username and password. If you do want to sign into OneSearch, when you click in Sign In, It's not going to ask you for your library username and password. Instead, it's going to ask you for your barcode and your password. Your barcode is your library ID number that's going to be included in the email from the SPS help desk when you get it, along with your username and password. So you need to enter that number here as the barcode and here as the password again. And that will get you in to get extra access to different features of OneSearch. If you need help, you can contact me directly on this library webpage in Blackboard and actually on the webpage. There's a phone number here. This number actually goes directly to my desk. I'm very familiar with SPS students, and I can be of help. I'm usually here every day. This is me, and I'm happy to help you. There are a couple tutorials on this page. One is a OneSearch tutorial if you're interested in figuring out how that works. You can click on that and view that. There's also a video tutorial for all the library services on this page as well that you can view. I wish you luck with your semester, and best of luck with everything, and you're welcome to ask me any questions that you like here. I'll answer them the best that I can.